KOAM News Now, Joplin News First. I'm Shannon Becker. I want to give you a live update. Severe thunderstorm rolling through the area right now. We're in Joplin on 32nd Street, going west on 32nd past Jackson. There is a rollover crash, Reddings Mill. Fire department and Joplin Fire responded to near 32nd and Schifferdecker. There's a hydroplane crash, slide off on 249 near Zora, and that's non-injury. And Vernon County Sheriff's Office, they've said there's some wind damage, power outages, and flash flooding in Vernon County. I do know that's a lot of water. Lawrence County has some now. Also, it's happening in Greene County, that flash flooding. So if you have to get out, drive with caution. Don't drive normal speeds. And we have updates to the crashes that we were at earlier. You can go to our website, KOAM News Now, our Joplin News First tab. I'll try and put that link up here in a little bit. I'm driving right now. I'm not even looking at the screen or anything, so just tell you that. So we'll keep you up to date. If you have a power outage, you can post it in the comments here. We'll try and check into those. Oh, there's a lot of water here. You can see. Okay, we have News Now, Joplin News First. Remember, if it's live and breaking, there's only one place you'll find out about it. It's right here. Those low-lying areas going to have some flash flooding here in the next hour or so as this rain's coming down pretty hard, pretty quick in the Joplin area. And it's also spreading all the way to Nevada and then to Springfield, like a big triangle area here.